So all of you all can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Audio video is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just adding one poll. Mostly I can see all of you are students and all. Any new member, if at all is there, I'll just check, and based on that I'll create a poll. Otherwise, just let me know. If at all someone has come for the first time, they don't know about NITA training and consulting services, II3, anyone who is new for the first time coming on this platform II3.
Yeah, it's me, Madhushri. So this is the first time I'm joining the session.
But you are student, like you have already joined the course, NITA train. You know NITA training and consulting services.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Other than that, mostly all are students. Sarika Pawar. Who is Sarika Pawar?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a current student or you have joined from
I'm
IIT?
teacher, ma'am.
Your teacher?
I'm joined. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm joining first time.
You are joining for the first time. Who is this Galaxy M21?
Yes.
Galaxy M21. Okay. Anyways, mostly here, whatever people are there that are known ones. So that's why whatever initial activity of polling of like what are the different roles you are having, based on that I was planned ki like what kind of class we should take. But mostly you all are teacher training students or teachers or principals and all. So that's why we are directly moving on to the business English. Now, basically, when I say English, business English, spoken English, what comes in your mind? Just one by one, try to share it. Whatever comes in your mind. What it may be. Disturbance है? कौन है? Mute पे रहिए, please. Okay. So, anyone wants to share when it comes to business English or when I say English for business? What comes in your mind, what it may be. आज की क्लास किस लिए होगी, क्या जरूरत होगी आज की क्लास की? Anyone wants to just share something? Anything comes in your mind, one by one. Anyone?
Ma'am, Aarti.
हाँ, आरती बोलो.
Ma'am, how to deal with people or talk to people? If we are in some of the profession, how should we behave? How should we talk?
Right. How to talk. Okay. And how to behave. Shweta
Behave.
is saying business
Interaction, ma'am. Interaction.
interaction. Okay. For communication and business. Okay. Anyone else?
Write message, write words in business.
Okay. So right word, right messages in business. That is what Paul sir says. Anything else?
Yeah, I agree with Paul using the right word and then probably trying to get what you want by using your word convincingly, politely, and how you address the people, like now make them feel important and get your objective done.
Correct. So of course, this is what is general aim when we say business English. But we are not only considering here business English for people in business or entrepreneurs, but it's for everyone. Even though we are having housewives with us, even though we are having students with us, that is also fine. This session is for everyone. Now, just understand what is the aim behind today's session. What happens? Why actually everyone wants good English? Basically, as and when it comes to education system, now it's good modern education everyone is taking, and speaking is not a problem. Whatever generation actually we have grown from, that was problem there, because speaking means whenever it comes to English, it was for reading, writing, that all kind of purpose. Even the person, the teacher who were teaching English, they were also actually teaching that in vernacular language, whichever mother tongue they must be having. And that's why somehow many of us may get some kind of gaps in communication, or when it comes to fluency, in English at that moment of time, it is somehow difficult. Not for people from IIT, because you are from different background, training and all. But yeah, of course, from my teachers training students and many of other teachers associated with or students associated with, they find few of the difficulty while doing this communication. Now, basically, when I say language, the basic purpose of language is communication. Now, to understand or to learn any language, what is that one most important thing that you should know? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए या फिर आनी चाहिए to learn any language? Any important tool you require? उसके बिना होगा ही नहीं, कोई भी लैंग्वेज आप सीख ही नहीं सकते. वो क्या है?
Body language.
Body language. Okay. Anything else?
Face expressions. Face expressions.
Facial expressions. Anything else?
Concentration, madam.
Concentration. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Now, if I'm taking target language English, if at all I want to learn that target language, what should I know to understand that language?
Script.
I think you have to understand the profile of the person whom you're going to talk.
Okay, that is for a specific kind of communication. I'm talking about a language. To learn a language, what one thing is compulsory, mandatory to learn any language in the world? कोई भी लैंग्वेज अगर आपको सीखनी है दुनिया में, तो एक चीज आपको आना बहुत जरूरी है. वो क्या चीज है?
Grammar, the diction.
Grammar, हाँ, yes. Anything else?
Diction, the tonality of speech.
Tonality or speech. Okay. बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में मत जाइए, बहुत बेसिक चीज है कि अगर आपको, मैं आंसर बता रही हूँ. Now, to learn any of the language, any one language, if you'd like to learn in the world, at least before knowing that particular language, you should know at least one language. It may be any language that is your mother tongue. Generally, it's our mother tongue. So Marathi, Hindi, or any kind of language, at least you know one language to learn any another language. Are you agree with me? If at all
Yes.
you are communicating in English, you would like to learn English. So without understanding the meaning, what actually the meaning of that particular word in my own language, how I'll understand that particular language. But if at all I don't know at least one language, I can't learn another language. Are you agree with me?
True.
Yes.
Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
of course. So what happens is, for learning any language, firstly, you should also have at least knowledge in one language, which we generally learn without going to school. We learn it from our childhood, how we grown up within that period itself. Actually, we acquire one language, which is called as our mother tongue. Now, what is this? Why we use language? What is the use of language? क्या जरूरत है language की? किस लिए हमें language चाहिए? Without language हो सकता है? हाँ, बोलो.
To express करने के लिए.
क्या करने के लिए?
Communicate.
Communicate. Very good. Very good. Communication. Okay. So it's when now communication, there are again several types of communication. कोई बता सकता है communication के कौन-कौन से type होते हैं?
Yes, Shaheen here.
हाँ.
There's oral communication, there's verbal communication. There is also something within facial expressions that you can communicate. There's a body language that you can communicate.
Okay.
These are the few ones. Yeah.
ओके सो अगर मोटा मोटा बोले तो एक स्पोकन वर्ड्स के थ्रू आप कम्युनिकेट करते हो, एक साइन लैंग्वेज के थ्रू आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो. देन आपका होता है टेलीफोनिक कम्युनिकेशन, या फिर कोई भी ऑनलाइन मीडिया से टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू आप कम्युनिकेट करते हो. देन आप अलग, जैसे डम एंड डीफ है तो वो एक अलग टाइप का साइन लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं. देन इफ लाइक ब्लाइंड पीपल आर देयर, दे आर हैविंग देयर ओन ब्रेन लैंग्वेज. Of course, there are written communication through which you communicate with other people. So these are all the different kind of ways. Shine up mute pe chale jao. These are the different ways in which, through which actually we communicate or we establish communication. So let's move on. Business English. I need English for my work. So it may be anything, any kind of work. Just a minute. I need to make her mute. Okay. So these are all the different kind of basic needs and why we should communicate. Before that, just एक joke देख लेते हैं. I think this is interview going on, or some person is meeting another lady, and yeah, he has gone through her profile, and he says, "Oh, I can see on your application that you speak German, French, English, Greek, and do shorthand. But the question is, do you make a decent cup of coffee?" So what you can actually find out from this particular thing, आप unmute करके बात कर सकते हैं. किसको क्या मतलब लगता है कि क्या हो सकता है? What is this when we just gone through this communication? एक simple सा हमने छोटा सा communication देखा है. Anything comes in your mind? How many language she knows? German, French, English, Greek. Okay. Shorthand भी आता है, typing भी आता है. Anything? Any inputs? Gap between requirements and expectations, or whatever job profile is there. Yes, someone want to say something? Koi unmute hua hai?
No, I think you said that he asked her, can you make a cup of coffee? Is that right?
No,
Do you make a decent cup of coffee? He's asking the question, which is not there mentioned in her profile.
But
Something.
looking for a household help, or is looking for someone who's an assistant?
I think so. Yeah, she's applying. It's overqualified.
Exactly. That's
It's
right.
a fun kind of thing wherein actually she knows so many things, but he came up with a very small requirement, but that was not mentioned in the profile, and he has actually gone through some different requirement. So expectation may be different, even though you know several languages, but there is a skill gap or some kind of different expectation comes, then what will happen? So this is a simple, just a kind of joke, let it be, but this may also happen in the job interviews. Okay, now when we say communication, of course, there are different ways of communication, how actually we understand different things. So of course, through our 5 different senses, we understand things through listening, even through watching. Of course, there are few things we understand just by touching, testing, smelling. So all these kind of experiences we get, and through that also we communicate with people. So yeah, this was about communication. Now, these were the previous kind of communication, how communication actually evolved the process. So previously, some smoke signals or different kind of signals were used for the communication. Then of course, आपको पता है कबूतर जा 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 राजा लोग महाराजा लोग उनका जो संदेश भेजते थे, उस टाइम पे कुछ pigeon वगैरह यूज करते थे वो communication के लिए. तो उस टाइप का communication. और कोई तो एक मिनट बार बार थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज फ्यू ऑफ द वेज. फिर इवॉल्व होते होते फिर देन वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन, देन टेलीफोन कम्युनिकेशन, फैक्स मशीन हुआ करते थे, याद होगा तो आपको. देन मोबाइल टेलीफोन, ऑफ कोर्स नाउ तो ईमेल, इंटरनेट, handheld devices, social media, different kind of things are there for communicating. Now, of course, communication is something wherein we are communicating with different people. There are several ways to connect people. So this is what is one thing, but we require some kind of tools to communicate here. Like if we want to send message from one place to another place, of course there were some external resources, but now actually smart devices has replaced all the other things. Because now we don't have to go anywhere, even that postal services and all. Now nobody is using that, because within a moment actually we could get connect with globally with everyone at any moment of time. So this is how communication got evolved. And of course, this is what is different kind of things wherein how it got evolved. So word of mouth hai, outdoor display hai, then television, radio, print media, then different kind of convention, meeting, web-based social network, internet broadcast. So these are few of the kind of medium through which communication have got evolved. Now, when we consider spoken language, at that moment of time, when I say spoken language, we require a tool which is called as language. Now, for example, I know one language, and Anjali ma'am knows, I know English language, and Anjali ma'am knows Chinese. Now, whether communication will establish, if at all I'm having a tool, English, I know one language, she also knows one language. She knows Chinese and I know English. If I say कि okay, we should have one tool, कि हमें एक टूल है लैंग्वेज कम्युनिकेशन करने के लिए, अब उनको उनके पास भी वो टूल है, मेरे पास भी है, कम्युनिकेशन इसलिए होगा क्या? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it will.
अंडरस्टैंड नहीं होगा तो कम्युनिकेशन होगा? आपको लगता है होगा? चाइनीज मुझे नहीं आती, आपको इंग्लिश पता है तो दैट इज फाइन, वन साइडेड, बट अगर आपको भी इंग्लिश नहीं आती, मुझे भी चाइनीज नहीं आती, और हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ
Sign language, body language.
With expressions.
Expression and all, that is another sources, but if at all I would really like to interact in a spoken language. If I don't know that particular language, of course there are other ways. हम translator use कर सकते हैं, हम sign language use कर सकते हैं. These are the different kind of you may say alternatives.
Translate.
One person who knows English as well as Chinese.
कवर हो गया, मैंने बोल दिया ट्रांसलेटर चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ट्रांसलेटर चाहिए एंड ऑल, दैट इज अनदर थिंग, बट उसके बिना अगर हमें कम्युनिकेशन करना है तो ऑफ कोर्स इट विल वी विल फेस लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी बिकॉज शी डोंट नो इंग्लिश एंड आई डोंट नो चाइनीज, राइट? सो इवन दो everyone is having.
Okay, Dr. Nita, I want to say something here. See, Switzerland is one of the topmost tourist country in the world. Okay, because people from any part, like now, the people go from Gujarat or Rajasthan or Italy, France, they don't know all the languages, but what they use to flourish their tourism is their body language. Okay, they try to understand what someone is trying to say. Like now, then that's why.
Tourism is different sector. We are talking about a business sector, education sector. Tourism is something wherein people have gone for fun purpose, and even there are some of the other medias available for them. Means there are resources through which they communicate. If at all, it's a kind of difficult things. But yeah, I'm saying, of course there are alternatives. But in daily life, if at all, I would like to communicate, cross communication and all. If I would like to do in my daily life. That is something we have to do once or twice in our life. And those who are into that industry, they may also have certain kind of training wherein actually they could communicate even though they don't know the language. That's fine. We are not talking about that rare communication, which we require some time as and when we require. But this is what is something we need in on daily basis life. Okay. So there we are understanding the importance of language. If at all, these kind of gaps are there. So what we want to say is difficulty may be there. It's not like we cannot communicate. We could communicate. There are alternatives. There are different ways through which we could communicate. But of course, there will be some kind of difficulty. To how to overcome that difficulty, how to make it easy. That is what actually we are going to understand throughout today's session. Getting my point? We all know कि even we could understand animals language, हम उनकी भी language समझ सकते हैं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. अगर body language का किसी को training है, psychology का किसी को training है ना, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है. But that is different and it's not in the scope of today's session. But what we are trying to understand is कि yeah, if I don't know the language of people around me, I may face some kind of difficulty, whether it may be my personal life, whether it may be my professional life, whether it may be some kind of social life. Means nowadays, internet, social media, everyone means it's a like basic need जो होता है ना, वैसा हो गया social media. Everyone is having that presence and everyone is spending a lot of time on social media. And of course, internet world, you all know. Everything, everywhere, it's written in English. Again, there are specific language-based services available, but yeah, these are all kind of things are there. So that is what is scope of today's session. Ki yeah, language, if we are unable to understand around us in the daily life, what kind of problem we may face in our life. There is lack of confidence, there may be lack of communication, there may be some misinterpretation, and because of that some kind of misunderstanding may happen. Because now in general we take everyone may have family life, then of course we are having our children, they might be going to school or college. We may have to communicate with their teachers, principal. So there are these kind of communications are also require some professionalism. So there also, if they expect or they communicate in English, so if at all we are getting difficulty, so there may remain some gaps. So that is why to learn, understand specifically that language gap, this particular session is there. And this only session is the kind of introduction part, but of course we are coming up with a planned 3 months different session. So last tak please rukiye sab log. I'm going to tell you all the benefits, and today actually some surprise benefit also you all will get. Those who really require that, okay, and they got agree ki, yeah, if at all some kind of language problems are there, gaps are there, I may have faced some kind of problem in my life. So if at all anyone feels like that, please stay till end so that you should understand what are the different benefits we are giving to all of them. Now, why do we have to use English in business? Business now replace this with any kind of thing, scenario. Just now I have explained कि अगर आप parent हो तो school में, college में आपको communicate करना है. अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो, आपको कुछ flight booking करना है, आपको कुछ hotel booking करना है. At that moment of time, you require some kind of communication. So we will take in the overall industrial or business world. It's not only specific for the entrepreneurs. Okay. So why we have to know English? Any clues? आपको क्या लगता है कि क्यों हमें पता होना चाहिए English? जरूरी है. सबको English पता है. I know those who are present here, सबको English पता है. Those who are finding it difficult to actually specifically use it as a tool as and when it require, for them this question is there. क्या आपको लगता है कि English की जरूरत है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
लगता है ना?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो अभी इंग्लिश क्यों जरूरी है? क्योंकि ये एक ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज है. ग्लोबल का मतलब क्या है? हर जगह पे इंग्लिश यूज होता ही है. इन द सेंस कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम अगर फॉरेन लैंग्वेज भी आप सीख रहे हो तो इंग्लिश में बताते हैं, है ना? तो फिर अगर किसी और कंट्री में भी जाना है तो एट दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम इफ यू डोंट नो इंग्लिश, अगेन यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट. इवन साउथ पीपल, मोस्टली माय many of my courses people are doing, those who are from south, they know their language which is their mother tongue. Then they know only English. Even they don't know Hindi. Even many of the people, though we all are staying in India, and we say that Hindi is our national language, but still there are many people who don't know Hindi. So we need to communicate with them as and when it's required. To communicate with those kind of people, actually we have to communicate each and everything in English only. So mostly why it has global, because mostly that problem faced in India. For other countries, it's not that much problem. Now, why in India? Of course, prior to independence, we were ruled by Britishers, and many of the industrialization, organizations, education system, actually they were established in when they were ruling on India. So at that moment of time when they were ruling India, just a minute, some disturbance is coming. Okay, so at that moment of time when they were ruling over India, at that moment of time, education system, here most of the colleges, firstly they were started, that East India Company, if you all remember history wala. And at that moment of time, they require few of the workers to work over there, and that's how, based on their requirement, they started few of the courses, universities, colleges over here. So basically, they were started it, so that's why mostly it's in English. And it's changing, but it's taking a lot of time to change. Even few of there are only, like in university, mainly that paperwork happens in Hindi, Marathi. In few of the government offices, paperwork happen in Marathi, but mostly major communication in professional life, actually it happens in English. That is the reason. History जो मैंने बताया, that is the reason ki why mostly in India we require English, because the pioneer from where it was started, that was in English, and still replacement is going on. We have not completely replaced, because again in India there are several different languages people are speaking. If we'll consider other countries, of course they are having unique language throughout the country and people are speaking in one language only, but India is the only country wherein every state is having different kind of language. Even if you'll go from one city to another city, that particular tone changes. If you'll consider Marathi, there are 45 different ways of speaking Marathi, means varieties in Marathi. So there are several varieties of languages over here in India, and that's why we need some kind of common platform to communicate with people, and that common platform actually we get through English. And that's why if we will say through the history कि क्यों इंग्लिश सीखना जरूरी है, तो ये सारे रीजन है, क्योंकि इंडिया में ऐसी सारी चीजें हैं, उसकी वजह से somehow हमें सबको अच्छी इंग्लिश, थोड़ी सी फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश भी आना जरूरी है. So that is what is the basic requirement, why we should understand English, why we should know English, and why that business English plays so much vital role in our life. So if you are working in organization, most employee use English primarily, है ना, जब interviews के लिए जाते हैं, any kind of primary work, if in meeting some allocation is going on or some kind of meeting is going on, at that moment of time the medium of communication they'll use English only. So again, yeah, of course in your professional life you need English. Work has become more solitary with computers, right? Nowadays, after Corona time, we all are doing our stuff from internet through such kind of thing, how we are meeting today on this webinar. So now again, if we consider the social media, internet, web and all, everywhere English is used. So again, that is what is a major reason. Okay. Now we have to play one role play. एक एक्टिविटी प्ले करना है, मुझे वॉलंटियर्स चाहिए. कौन वॉलंटियर बनेगा?
I can volunteer, नीता मैम.
आप वॉलंटियर करेंगे?
हाँ जी.
ओके, और कौन वॉलंटियर करना चाहता है? मुझे 3 मेंबर लगेंगे. हाँ. आरती, यस. ऋतुजा. आप आरती और ऋतुजा आप इस पे आ सकते हैं क्या? वीडियो पे आ सकते हैं?
यस मैम.
हाँ, प्लीज आपका वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए. ओके. अब एक रोल प्ले आप तीनों को प्ले करना है. उसमें 3 रोल है, एक प्रिंसिपल, एक टीचर और एक पेरेंट. अभी आप चूज करिए किसको क्या बनना है. अंजलि मैम को प्रिंसिपल बता देते हैं.
श्योर.
आप क्या बनोगे?
पेरेंट्स.
पेरेंट. आरती, फिर आप टीचर हो. ठीक है, आप टीचर ही हो वैसे भी. हाँ, तो अभी सिनेरियो मैं आपको एक सिनेरियो देती हूँ, कंडीशन देती हूँ, उसके ऊपर हमें रोल प्ले करना है, जहाँ पे आप आपके डायलॉग बोल सकते हो. इंग्लिश इज कंफर्टेबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू? ऋतुजा एंड आरती, इंग्लिश इज कंफर्टेबल?
बट मैम नॉट फ्लुएंटली.
हाँ, चलेगा, टूटा फूटा भी चलेगा. जैसा है वैसे चलेगा. ठीक है.
यस.
ओके. तो आप पेरेंट हो ना ऋतुजा, तो आपको ही ज्यादा बोलना है, क्योंकि आपको कंप्लेंट लेके आना है. ठीक है. तो ऐसा है कि ऑनलाइन लेक्चर चल रहा है, क्लास चल रहे हैं बच्चों के, तो उस टाइम पे टीचर ने आपके बच्चे को निकाल दिया मीटिंग से और उसको लिया ही नहीं. ठीक है. और फिर बाद में प्रिंसिपल जो है फीस मांग रही है और आपको फीस ज्यादा लग रही है. जो आज का सिनेरियो है, आपको जो है ऑनलाइन में इतना फीस नहीं देना है, आपको फी पे नहीं करना है, और फिर आपको टीचर के बारे में कंप्लेंट भी है. ठीक है, कि टीचर कैसे पढ़ा रही है एंड ऑल. तो आप थोड़ा सा स्क्रिप्ट बना लीजिए आपके माइंड में कि आपको आपके ही बच्चे का, अगर है बच्चा है ना आपको, आप मैरिड हो ना? नहीं.
यस. नहीं.
अच्छा, तो अगर आपको नहीं पता तो बस उतना ही इस पे थोड़ा सा सीन क्रिएट करना है हमें, एंड रोल प्ले करना है, जहाँ पे वी हैव टू कम्युनिकेट. Now, this is what is the scenario in organization, educational organization. School is there. Principal, you have to actually handle this situation. There is complaint against teacher, also management, school management, because she don't want to pay the fee, and also she is having issue that you are not allowing her child and all. Okay. So all of you, all three of you, you have to handle this situation. So this is the scenario. Any question, any doubts?
No.
Okay, so let's get started then. Over to you. Let's start the communication. Who will start?
I'll
Rituja.
ask. Okay, come on.
Ma'am, 5 minutes.
Okay, तो प्रिंसिपल तब तक आप थोड़ा सा बात कर लीजिए उनके
हाँ
साथ
जी,
you
हाँ
may
जी.
start.
Sure, sure. Hello, good morning, ma'am. Welcome. I hear you have a complaint against one of our teachers. We'd like to sort it out. We'd like to help. Ma'am, what is the problem? Is it about your child? Is it about Rohan? And what did he do? Yes, ma'am. Please be comfortable. Feel
Ma'am,
free.
my child was attending a lecture,
Yes.
but suddenly her teacher removed her.
Oh, okay, okay. But did you have a word with the teacher? Normally, our teachers, after the session is over, they talk to the parents. So,
No.
Okay, Miss Jones, what was the problem? Why did you remove the child from the meeting?
I don't know.
Yes, but
They
yes,
didn't pay fees.
non-payment of fees. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Doesn't matter, Miss Jones. Next time you can just bring it to the notice of the management. But ma'am, we need to run the organization, so we need to charge
Yes.
some fees. I do realize online education, you have to have your monitor and so many, internet connection. But we also have to pay for servers and for teachers who are trained for the syllabus, for the curriculum, for the activities. We pay for so many things, ma'am. So that's the reason we are charging fees.
But ma'am, now lockdown is there. We are facing a lot of problems for money.
Yes, but we can offer you a facility that you can pay in installments. You don't have to pay the whole thing up front, but you can pay it.
Can I pay step by step?
Step by step, sure. Absolutely. But we may request you to give us signed checks for the forthcoming months, if it suits you. Is it all right?
Yes.
Okay, so Miss Jones, we request you not to remove the child. The lady will be paying the fees, okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Anything else I can help you with?
No. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Wonderful.
much.
Thank you for your
Everyone,
help.
please clap for them. Wonderful. इतनी प्यारी प्रिंसिपल थी कि उन्होंने सब कुछ बहुत सॉफ्टली हैंडल कर लिया और जो हमारी पेरेंट थी वो भी इतनी सॉफ्ट थी कि उन्होंने कुछ कंप्लेंट ही नहीं किया
Exactly.
थोड़ा सा रियायत तो ले लेते, उसको डिस्काउंट तो मांग लेते थे कुछ तो बोलते थे, कुछ भी नहीं बोला. कंप्लेंट करना है ना, कंप्लेंट मींस समथिंग वेयर यू हैव टू टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी कि नहीं, हाँ ये ऐसे हो रहा है, वो वैसे नहीं हो रहा है. अभी फीस जो ले रहे हैं स्कूल, तो उसमें जैसे ट्यूशन फी तो ठीक है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइब्रेरी फी, लेबोरेटरी फी, प्लेग्राउंड यूज नहीं कर रहे बच्चे, या फिर स्कूल की कोई फैसिलिटी यूज नहीं कर रहे, तो देयर आर सेवरल थिंग्स, बट स्टिल दे आर चार्जिंग द सेम फीस, है ना. So you would have come up with that kind of thing. So anyways, but it was very smooth kind of communication. So this is what is called as tactical kind of thing, wherein without hurting people emotion, changing the communication. Yes, Muskan? So yes, this role play was wonderful. किसी को कुछ डीब्रीफिंग करना है इस कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में कि क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई या फिर क्या समझ में आया, व्हाई वी माइट हैव डन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, और व्हाई वी शुड नो सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. एनी केसेस? कोई डीब्रीफ करना चाहता है?
Conflict resolution,
very good.
Because in real life it's never so smooth, there are always fights and people get very annoyed. So this of course was very, very nice.
Right. So conflict
Yes, madam.
resolution. Yes. Anything else?
Yes, we are talking about the business English, right? So in business means it might be related to school or any other business. We do get so different types of customers, and also we should have knowledge how to tackle that person, the person who is sitting in front of you. That is more important, it seems. According to their mood, means in which mood they are coming to us, that we don't know. So according to that, we have to tackle that person or that situation.
Correct. So Madhushri madam is a principal. That's why she is sharing her experience with her with us.
It's not like that, because we should understand the other person mentality as well, right?
Right. So that is very important. Actually, what we speak in communication, that matters very less, but how we speak, actually that matters a lot. So in
Yes, I
communication,
really liked Anjali madam's conversation because गुस्सा होने से कुछ नहीं होता है. So how softly you speak, कितना भी गुस्सा हो जाओ, then they also become cool, you know.
right. सबसे पहले सामने वाले को ठंडा करना ही जरूरी होता है.
Yes.
You should always
So patience for sure. There, yes.
वो पेशेंस चाहिए. बोलते हैं ना कि सर पे बर्फ होनी चाहिए और जुबान पे शक्कर होनी चाहिए. वही जरूरी है, चाहे आप किसी भी बिजनेस में हो, कुछ भी है, तो ये दो चीजें बहुत जरूरी है. और ठंडे दिमाग से एक्चुअली जब आप काम करते हो तो एक्चुअली यू डोंट गेट पैनिक एंड यू डोंट लूज योर टेम्पर. सो इफ एट ऑल यू आर लूजिंग योर टेम्पर मीन्स नॉर्मली आप जितने अच्छे से हैंडल कर पाते थे उस सिचुएशन को, वो हैंडल नहीं हो पाता था. तो communication comes later, but these techniques actually it works a lot in crisis management, conflict management, negotiations. These are the basic skills which we require. Language plays a vital role, but again, how you are saying, how you are speaking, that is also important. So Anjali ma'am is a very mature trainer, so she knows all this technique very nicely, and actually she is going to be one of the teacher in this business English course. So of course, she knows all those kind of techniques. So wonderful. All of you have done a wonderful job. So let's move on to our presentation then. किसी को कुछ doubts है, queries है, किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं.
And very good message she had given. Means what storming is going on in your mind, but keep smiling. That's it.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on then. So अच्छी इंग्लिश आने की वजह से क्या प्रॉब्लम्स कम हो सकते हैं? व्हाट आर दोस प्रॉब्लम व्हिच मे गेट लेसन इफ यू नो द बिजनेस इंग्लिश और हाउ टू यूज इंग्लिश एज अ टूल इन द बिजनेस वर्ल्ड. सो these are few of the problem. Okay, in written communication, if some wrong words come or you even misinterpret that particular thing, okay, it may create problem. So wrong words. Then interpersonal relationship, interpersonal communication, that may smoothen if you know English nicely. Maybe it may be oral communication, written communication. So at workplace, you should know English because cross-cultural things are there nowadays in all the organization setup. So these are few of the things which may also lessen if you know good English. Then don't let your English skills hold back you whenever you are actually going for some kind of work or any kind of platform, or wherein actually it may happen that different set of people you would like to communicate with, and if you don't know how to speak over there or what to actually speak and how to communicate with them, it may create some of the problem. But if you know good business English at that moment of time, that problem may also get lessened. Then of course misconception between the messages. So if at all anything happened wherein due to wrong interpretation of the message, some kind of conflict arises in the professional communication or even at the personal level also, it may spoil the relationship. So because to handle such kind of situations, even these skills wherein if you know basic understanding of that particular language, so actually it will help you out. So these problems also get lessened if you know good English. Then of course, if you actually lose words in the sense ki wherein we don't find that particular word in between ki, okay, bhul gaye bich mein blank ho gaye, ya fir you don't know what to say this particular thing in English. So that is a part of vocabulary. So if at all the vocabulary is very poor, in that case also we get a lot of difficulty to use that particular language. So yeah, that particular problem will also get resolved with the help of business English. Limited ideas, because you don't know that language again, to explore it at some another extent, it will be very difficult. So these are few of the problems. Then of course family problem may also happen if you don't know the basic ways of communicating properly. जैसे अभी यहाँ पे तो एक दिया है कि जहाँ पे काम निकालना है हस्बैंड से, तो एक्चुअली देयर आर वेज कि किस तरह से हम टैक्टिकली करवा सकते हैं चीजें या फिर करना है, but if at all you don't know those technique, then it will become very difficult. So yeah, these are the tactics of communication. And of course angry boss, जो लोग जॉब करते हैं, they have to always एक्चुअली उनको तो सबको ये चीज रहती है एंग्री बॉस, क्योंकि अगर एंग्री है भी नहीं तो भी कभी ना कभी वो एक कंफ्लिक्ट वाला सिचुएशन आ ही जाता है वर्क प्लेस में. एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रोफेशनल लाइफ फेल्यूअर्स अगर कुछ है, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि हर किसी की लाइफ में फेल्यूअर है, बट इफ एट ऑल सम काइंड ऑफ फेल्यूअर हैपेंस, then again this particular skill may help you out a much. So these are few of the problems may get lessened if you know proper business English. Now these were all the things. Now because we are having the same set of people to whom I meet on daily basis, and II3 people, they already well trained in English, so that's why I'm not going into very much basic details कि क्या करना है उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए एंड ऑल. तो ये सारे टेक्निक्स मैं अभी नहीं बता रही हूँ, अभी नहीं कवर कर रही हूँ. मैं डायरेक्टली लास्ट वाले पार्ट पे आ रही हूँ कि हमारा जो कोर्स स्टार्ट हो रहा है बिजनेस इंग्लिश का, वो कैसे होने वाला है, उसका बेसिक एम क्या है. फीस वगैरह तो यहाँ पे लिखी है, आज का जो स्पेशल डिस्काउंट है वो भी यहाँ पे लिखा है, तो यू माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड. बट द थिंग इज ये जो कोर्स है ये बाकी कोर्स से अलग कैसा है वो मुझे आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो अभी मैं ये स्लाइड शेयर क्लोज कर रही हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स 2 अगस्त से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, मैं बेसिक डिटेल्स बता रही हूँ. अभी 3 महीने का कोर्स है, 40 आवर्स टोटल सेशंस रहेंगे. एक्चुअल फीस 10,000 है, तो अगर स्पेशल ऑफर जो है जो आज के लिए वैलिड है वहां पे 60% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, तो 4,000 में 3 महीने का कोर्स आपको मिलेगा अगर आप आज एनरोल करते हैं. तो उसके साथ आपको 15,000 के 5 कोर्सेज फ्री मिलेंगे. उसमें जो 5 कोर्सेज है उसमें गोल सेटिंग एक कोर्स है, उसकी पूरी लिस्ट में देती हूँ आपको. उसके बाद सक्सेस मैक्सिमाइज करके कोर्स है हमारा, एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट करके कोर्स है. उसके बाद हमारे 2 और कोर्सेज है, एक मनी अट्रैक्शन है और एक 21 डेज मेडिटेशन का कोर्स है. ये सारे कोर्सेज जो है आपको फ्री मिलने वाले हैं, जिसकी एक्चुअल प्राइस 15,000 है इसके एनरोलमेंट के साथ, एंड 4,000 रुपीज में, मतलब 60% डिस्काउंट पे आपको एक्चुअली ये कोर्स मिलने वाला है अगर आप आज एनरोल करते हो तो. So this is what is simple thing. Now I'll just want to share the small difference between the spoken English classes other institutes take and here whatever business English course we have launched. The basic difference is that here we are actually taking English as a tool. Now when we consider any app, tool, actually inbuilt functionalities are already there. What we have to do is, as and when how we would like to actually use that particular thing, we use as per our requirement. Now here in the similar way we have designed the course wherein now for example it's a written communication. So we may have to write email, we may have to write job description, we may have to write our resume. So basically what we will do is, in every part, it may be written English, maybe spoken communication, it may be oral communication, we will go by some keywords. So mostly 100 keywords firstly we will talk about. Based on those 100 keywords, what are all different kind of communication we could establish, so that way we will go. Then in business scenario, for example, it's a written communication. Okay, these are the keywords, so mostly 20 keywords, and how to use those keywords, that is how the whole session will go. And mostly all the sessions will be interactive sessions wherein you as a participant, you have to speak more, and the role of the teacher will be as a directress, means she will just play a role of directress wherein she will guide you most of the time, but actually to improve your speaking skill she will help you out a lot. It's a kind of hand holding. So this is what is a differentiation, and of course we are using modern techniques of teaching. It's not a monotonous kind of lecture based method, of course. So we are not using lecture based method, so of course we are using different kind of methods. So all of you knows हम pedagogy अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, तो जो भी हमारे D.Ed के स्टूडेंट है सभी को पता है जो हम pedagogy में पढ़ रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मेथड है, प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड मेथड है, केस स्टडी बेस्ड मेथड है। तो जो हमारे डिफरेंट काइंड के मेथड है जो हम अदर देन लेक्चर बेस्ड मेथड में यूज करते हैं, सारे एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग के मेथड यहाँ पे यूज होंगे। देयर विल बी नॉट अ सिंगल मेथड, सो इट विल बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन। एवरी लेक्चर, उसको हम सेशन बोलेंगे, विल नॉट से लेक्चर। So every session will be a combination of different kind of teaching learning methodologies, which will actually make you more engaging, so that actually it will create that curiosity and interest within you also. So that's how this course is going to help you out to actually get holistic development in your personality, not only for the language, but yeah, your confidence building, your stage daring, your public speaking skills, your body language, overall growth is going to happen within this course. So this is what is all about this course. Now, if anyone is having any doubts or queries, you may ask, and those who are interested to join this 3 months upcoming course may contact me directly, or Snehal and Shweta, my coordinators are there. They will help you out with the procedure and everything. Now, any doubts and queries, whatever, prior to this, now this was the information regarding the course. Prior to this, whatever session we have gone through, if at all you are having any doubts or queries, we are having 7 minutes for interaction. So now over to you. You may ask questions, or any kind of concern you are having, you may please let me know. Over to you. किसी को कुछ पूछना है, किसी को कुछ concerns है?
Ma'am, if you don't know how to talk fluently in English, then will it affect on our job? I mean, any kind of job or our professional life?
Yeah, this much
But
whatever
we
you
know,
are speaking, based on that you may get the job. That is not a problem. Yeah.
but will it affect on our job?
Cracking the interview is the most important thing when it comes to getting job, है ना? When it's a start of a thing, cracking the interview. But actually cracking the interview is not only, it's just a first stage. Now, in job, there are several stages. Firstly, what kind of job profile you are having. Based on that, the role of English will come in picture. Now, if it's a kind of, your role is a teaching kind of thing, or a person who is a front person, means you have to deal with clients, you have to deal with customers, parents, students, you have to face people wherein you have to communicate with them, then of course it matters a lot. If at all it's a kind of job wherein you have to sit at one place and you don't have to communicate with people, then it may not matter that much. But if it's something wherein you have to communicate, and generally all the job profile include a lot of communication with different kind of colleagues, people, and of course there are several things include. So yeah, it matters a lot. ऐसा तो नहीं होता है ना जॉब में कि आप एक जगह पे जाके बैठ गए, अपना अपना लिखा, पढ़ाई लिखाई की और चले गए, ऐसे तो नहीं होता है ना। आपको लोगों के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना ही पड़ता है, अकेले कोई भी जॉब नहीं होता है। तो जनरली आपको गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होना बहुत जरूरी है। जॉब मिलाने से ज्यादा उसको रखना, मतलब जो बोलते हैं ना टिका के रखना एंड उसमें प्रोग्रेस करना, सक्सेस मिलाना, वो ज्यादा चीजें ज्यादा मैटर करती हैं। तो ऑफ कोर्स इट मैटर्स अ लॉट।
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Yeah.
I'm Smita.
Smita.
Yes, ma'am. In this course, you have what will be the agenda? You will confidence आने तक सिखाओगे, मीन्स ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन वगैरह होगा क्या?
होगा ना। मैंने जो बोला ना कि मेथड जो है वो ज्यादातर एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग वाले ही मेथड होंगे, तो उसमें ये सारी चीजें आएंगी, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस आएंगे, रोल प्लेज आएंगे, प्रोजेक्ट्स के स्टडी बेस्ड मेथड, सब कुछ आएगा। तो उसमें ऑटोमेटिकली कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग, शेयरिंग, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वो इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा।
थैंक यू।
यस, एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Yes, over to you then, Dr. Wallace. We
Oh,
may.
wow,
Yeah.
Dr. Nita, a very good presentation.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
You
Thank you,
know,
ma'am.
I want to tell all of you, I am now 72 years old. I have last year, I think in last 2 years, I have joined about 8 to 10 sessions of Dr. Nita on NTCSS platform. And it has benefited me along. I am a lifetime student and I make sure that I spend time and money on one webinar on one learning in a month. I am myself a trainer. I'll come to you later. And I am a student of Anjali because, you know, I learned English and also storytelling. So she will handhold you till you become confident and till you become confident. I am Dr. Paulo Sarimbor. I am Vice President of IAI3 and we have been conducting this knowledge sharing session on every Tuesday. It is free. So you are welcome to this session on every Tuesday at whatever time, sometime 5 o'clock, sometime 5:30. If the facilitator is little busy, it may be little later. But this is free. 1 hour you learn something. Now this is like a trailer because they are not going to teach you what the skills, but they will tell you about the trailer. You know, every time you go for a movie, you get to know the trailer and we take a decision. Yes, I will go for this movie. So let me tell you, Dr. Anjali madam is a good trainer. She teaches you how to speak English and how to, you know, she has a lot of skills. And IAI3 NTCCS, we teach lot of skills. And let me tell you, it's like, you know, the more you learn, the more you, become equipped, the more you become communicate, you become more confident, and then you will start, feeling, yes, that will be reflected on the body, the face. Yes, this lady or this man is more confident. And every time, you know, like you listen to our friend, Prime Minister Modi, the way he speaks, you know, he is a good orator. He starts bhai or behno, then he give a pause. So Anjali madam will teach you how to speak English with confidence. So please spend some money, and time. It will make you confident. I myself, I have not learned English medium, but today I speak English, you know, so confidence. I write articles. I am a YouTuber. I am a trainer. That I'll come to you later. Next Tuesday, same time, I'm conducting my session on transactional analysis introduction. Now, basically, you know, a bird sitting on the branch is not afraid of the branch breaking because it has got confidence to fly. So the knowledge you gain, it makes you to fly. So the transactional analysis concept make you autonomous. Basically, transactional analysis is very useful for the educational setting, for the principals and teachers, because the way they communicate with the students and making the students comfortable, it makes the students learn a lot because it improves their cognitive power. So we all need to be little bit of emotional intelligence. We should understand others' emotion rather than expressing our emotion. Don't express our emotion. Ask observe the student, make the child comfortable, make the child in front of you, be a confident child, free child to ask a question. Even you should not have a doubt to ask questions. Now, every Tuesday we have knowledge sharing sessions. So we invite you to conduct knowledge sharing session on your passionate skills. Now, IAI3, we publish journals. You can write articles that will help you to, you know, become more popular. Now, you remember one thing, these knowledge sharing sessions, what we conduct, they are converted into YouTube video. It is promoted on social media. The articles that you write in the e-journal, that also goes for social media. So lakhs of people knows you. The one thing you have to do is you have to relate with people. Without relating with people, if you are only living in your limited circle of only your relatives and your friend circle, maybe 30-40 people, you will not grow. You learn like me. I am a online my online presence is that I am connected to almost 10 lakhs people. In LinkedIn alone, I got 14,000 people, Facebook around 5,000. I am connected on a social media. So IAI3 is helping you to promote in the beginning. But when we promote you, you must be equipped with good English, good way of communicating, telling that, Anjali madam also can teach you how to communicate with story. If you can communicate with story, with emotions, the other person, you have seen, there are certain movies when you watch, the others also cry. The same way, Anjali madam will tell you how to speak English, how to speak with emotions, how to tell in the form of a story. She has got, basket full of skills. And Dr. Neeta also has got, a basket of, you can say, big basket of skills. So don't be afraid to spend money and learn. I started my career as a, an assistant in one private company. I have retired as a general manager of marketing. Every 3 year, 4 year, I get a promotion because I keep learning. I gone for MBA, I gone for, soft skill, I gone for Neeta madam's. I have learned 10 skills. You ask her, NLP, stress management, train the trainer. 10 skills I learned from NTCCS. And the enthusiasm I show, the energy I show, that's why she recently made me vice president of IAI3. So all of you are welcome. Please attend my session next Tuesday. If you like to learn transactional analysis to become a bird flying in the heights, join the Anjali madam's session and you attend my next Tuesday session. You will come to know what benefits this transactional analysis can help you. Let's hope together, keep flying always. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Paul, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now anyone want to say anything? Any another inputs from anyone? Should we conclude today's session?
Yes.
मैडम
हाँ बोलो.
मैडम इसका स्पोकन इंग्लिश का टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा और इसके लिए क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स देना है?
और डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो एज सच हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, जैसे टीटीसी में हम लेते हैं वैसे तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए. जो भी रहेंगे हम आपको कम्युनिकेट कर देंगे. बट टाइमिंग का जो है, जो लोग एनरोल करेंगे उनके बेसिस पे उसको मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट रखना है या इवनिंग शिफ्ट रखना है, अभी ओपन है. अभी हमने टाइम डिसाइड नहीं किया है. तो ऑफ कोर्स जो एनरोल करने वाले लोग हैं उनसे हम मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग 2 स्लॉट हम देंगे. अभी तक फाइनल नहीं हुआ है तो उसके हिसाब से हम उसको रखेंगे. ठीक है, तो don't worry about that. As per your convenience, we will decide the time.
ओके, चलेगा. थैंक यू मैडम.
ठीक है, तो फिर आज हम यहाँ पे कंक्लूड करते हैं. हाँ अंजलि मैम, हम कनेक्ट होते हैं एक 5 मिनट्स के बाद. ठीक है,
Sure.
तो yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So
Thank
thank you
you.
all of you to join today's session, and thank you. Thank you. So every Tuesday we are having such kind of knowledge sharing session. If at all you would like to give any session on your expertise, you all are welcome, and you have to contact Dr. Paulus regarding that, and he will help you out to arrange your session. So we welcome you all for conducting II3 knowledge sharing session, also for contributing research paper or just an article of 2 to 3 page in our newsletter, monthly newsletter. Every month we publish our newsletter, and every Friday we are starting with the new series of interviews wherein actually untold stories will be shared for their success, and you can gain a lot of motivation out of that success. So that is another series coming up under II3, which is of course all our II3 sessions are free. Knowledge sharing sessions are free. Freely you can contribute your paper in our newsletter, and that interviews of course you can attend free of cost. So all these three activities we are doing on regular basis under IIT, and you all are welcome to join it. So thank you very much for joining and patiently listening to us. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
nice session, Neeta. Very nice session, ma'am.
Thank you.
Paul sir, thank you. Thank you very much to both of you.
Chalo then, now we are leaving. Anjali ma'am, I'll connect you after 5-10 minutes, okay?
Thank you, madam. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am.